Screen record பண்றியே screen record பண்றியே புரியல screen record பண்றியே நான் ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ண இருக்கும் பண்றதா ஆடியோ கேட்க கேட்கல கேட்காம அவரோட எல்லாம் புரிஞ்சிருச்சு.
As of now, I do not have an answer for that because any job is kind of hard now because all the jobs that you're doing with interest, it's a good job. There is no kind of a bad job. So with that, maybe if you are having any questions, you can ask.
Saranya.
Sir, hello.
Saranya, யாரும் ஆன் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்களா? நீ பேசுறியா? பேசு.
Hello, sir. Yeah, go ahead, Vinit. Sir, how do I handle multiple job offers or decide between different opportunities? Like, how do you handle multiple job offers or decide between different opportunities?
புடிச்சியா?
So I can mute. So it depends on you. So if you are having multiple job offers on different domains, you can choose which domain you like and you can go ahead. Okay, there is no such thing as bad domain or good domain. Okay. Maybe you can choose from certain domains, like
Saranya,
if that is you're having an offer with service industry and a product-based company, right? So service-based company and a product-based company, then you can go ahead and choose the product-based company, which your scope of learning things and scope of growth will be very much high when compared with the service industry. Okay, but if you're having a role on same sector of the company, like development or a product-based company, you're having two offers, then what you need to do is, there are a couple of things that you can do. One is mainly the offer that you get, how much you are getting, how much perks that you are getting, how much is the extra things that you are getting, like shares, salary, bonus and all that. Okay. And the other thing that you need to check is the culture of the company. You may ask, how do I know the culture of the company? There are two things. You can go to Glassdoor and see what the company is all about. You can read positives as well as a negative review of that company. Or you can search the company name in the LinkedIn and see. You can also see the list of employees working there. You can at least have a connect with the person who is working on that company, and you can ask them if telling your role there that you have attended and you have an offer there and what the culture is all about and all that. So you might get like 60% information from the LinkedIn and like 20 or 30% correct information from Glassdoor. That's what I can tell. So it all depends on you. Okay, sir. any questions?
Sir, can you share about a challenging situation you faced in your role and how you overcome it, sir?
Okay. Yeah, you can mute yourself. So I'm not sure if the answer will be of more helpful in terms of the placement stuff. Um, I also have one more question for your question. Are you asking me the answer on how to handle this question on an interview, or you're asking how am I handling the challenges in my current role or my current job?
Sir, how you handled in your current role, sir?
Okay. So when you work for a company, right? So if you are having any challenges like technical challenges, then obviously there are two things that will help you. One is your experience in the past company, your experience in your learning stages itself. So when you learn certain things, right? So you first learn the basics very clearly, be it programming or anything. So if you learn your basics correctly, then yeah, that will mostly help you out if you are having some challenges with any work related stuff. And the other thing that I mostly do is I'll reach out to the person who is an expert in that particular subject or the particular technology and get his guidance or information from him, and then I'll resolve the issue. So that is how mostly I'll handle my challenges with respect to work and technical items. Does that answer your question?
Sir?
Yeah, did I answer your question?
Yes, sir. Thank you for sharing, sir. Thanks for sharing.
Any more questions?
Regine.
Yeah, you can. Any questions? Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, what are the trending programming language now, sir?
Um, I'm not really sure because this is a question that should ask, or what's a programming language that I choose in your second year or first year? Should not ask the question now because you're like 70% of the way in your engineering, right? So you should not ask this question. Maybe for people who are like going to start it now, right? There are two things like if you are going with the web development, right? So there is no such thing as this is a programming language you should learn, right? So if you are learning, if you are planning to learn, or if you are planning to move towards web development, right? The first thing that you need to learn is HTML, Java, JavaScript, which is and CSS, and then any JavaScript like React.js or anything like that. There is a path. So there are a couple of languages or couple of stuff that you need to learn, right? So with respect to the other thing, like if you are going with cloud, right? There is no such thing as this is the best programming language and we'll have all the things with this particular programming language, right? So if you are going with cloud computing and all that, so there are programming languages or shell scripts scripting languages like shell script that you should know about. And Python, which is very much important. Shell script, Python, and then if you are one way ahead in the cloud computing domain, right? You can also learn some CI/CD tools like Jenkins, Ansible, Puppet Chef, and if you are going with infrastructure as a service, you can learn about Terraform and yeah, there are a lot of things. So if you are asking about the entry level stuff, then I would recommend you to go with shell scripting and Python to start off.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
And
Thank you.
yeah, okay. Any questions?
Thank you all for in our discussion today. Let's carry forward the learning and interest gained here to drive positive change in our society. Thanks, sir.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
I can stop, right?
என்ன கேட்டாரு? எஸ் சார்.
நீ பார்த்தியா தம்பி அதெல்லாம் நீ இப்போவே முடிவு பண்ணக்கூடாது, செகண்ட் இயர்லேயே நீ முடிவு பண்ணியிருக்கட்டும். ஆட்டிடியூடாக பேசுகிறாரு தம்பி, 70% தாண்டிட்டேன், அதெல்லாம் செகண்ட் இயர்லேயே முடிவு பண்ணியிருக்கணும். ஏன்டா கேள்வி கேட்கணுமா?